It's exactly what I've just said. We have not given any clarifications to anybody. We have said that this needs to be done within the laws of this country, and hopefully, we hope that that's how the session will go.
One last question.
And I don't think you can give Mr. Rushdie any. Or I certainly am not in a position to give Mr. Rushdie suggestions on what he should write or what he should say.
Duration kitna rahega talk?
Our format is roughly the same, so we are still trying to discuss how it will go, whether there's a reading, a conversation with Barkha, maybe a panel after that. But it'll be a 1-hour session like we have, because our format can't change because of this.
If there was no need for permission, then why did the police ask for a clarification?
You need to ask that to the police, not to me.
Any questions?
Is there going to be more security? As you know, we've had a lot of security because of this issue from the very start of the festival. To our knowledge, this security is fantastic. We have had no incidents so far. We've had no information about any threats, and I'm sure that they will continue to provide the security in the best possible way. I think they've done an amazing job by being restrained, by being polite, and by aiding the festival and making it happen.
Thank you.
The people who were threatened to protest if Mr. Rushdie had actually come to the festival. Have they said anything about him upcoming on Video Link?
I have just received a whole submission of letters from a number of organizations. Unfortunately, I didn't have my glasses and my Hindi reading is somewhat handicapped, so I haven't read them all. They have sent us a prastav, a petition, and we will read it, and we hope that...
Thank you.
सर एक बार हिंदी में दोहरा देंगे रश्दी साहब कब सेशन हो रहा है क्या सावधानी?
सलमान रश्दी का सेशन 3:45 पौने 4 बजे से शुरू होगा, 1 घंटे के लिए. ये सेशन फ्रंट लॉन्स में होंगे, डिगी हाउस में, जयपुर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल पे. सारे चैनल्स उसको कवर कर सकते हैं मेन स्क्रीन से. इस पे हम जो मिडनाइट चिल्ड्रन का जो किताब उन्होंने पहले लिखी थी उसके ऊपर चर्चा होगी. सलमान रश्दी के लाइफ एंड टाइम्स के ऊपर चर्चा होगा. हमारे ख्याल में जो भी यहाँ पे प्लान किया गया था शुरुआत से, ये अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडियन लॉ है, और हम सोचते हैं कि इट विल हैपन पीसफुली, इट विल हैपन पीसफुली विदाउट एनी इंसिडेंट. The way this broadcast is happening, because earlier we were looking at doing it on a Skype link, and we realized that that was already going to be a failure. So NDTV has booked us a studio there. It's going to come from the NDTV studio, so the government has no control over the telecast. We're very clear that this particular session will be done within the parameters of the Indian Constitution. And should there be any requirement to act on it, we will do this in-house. It's not by the government. I'd just like to reiterate again that the session that's being held today here at Diggy House was the session that's been planned, which is the session on Midnight's Child. It will also be on the lives and times of Salman Rushdie. It's not necessarily on or focused on the readings of